Hello traders, today is Friday, and on Fridays we like to be done early as traders look forward to the weekend so we can decompress for all of the action and trades that we had over the past week. So we have 3 or 4 short signals looking good for the short signals, but right now there's a long signal at 42.92 quarter. So remember, before you jump into trading, understand what you're doing, looking at price action. Start off with 1 or 2 contracts when you first start trading. Remember, trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you can't afford to lose. As you know, we try to make everybody aware of the disclaimer and the risks involved with trading. So on a Friday, you have to think about what's about to happen. As we get into the afternoon, the market becomes a little bit more unstable because traders are squeezed out of the market, especially the day traders who are on margin. So I want to take a quick 4 point trade. Even those of you who are just taking 2 or 3 points, I think it's fantastic. 2 or 3 points on a trade as soon as possible. Get out of the trade. So this is a trade scalper signal. 42.92 quarter, 5 contracts, maybe $400 or $500 is what I'm after on this specific example, on this specific trade. And remember, if this draws out and doesn't go anywhere, doesn't do anything, get out of the position. Don't hold on to a losing trade. I want to be out of here. That's trade number 1. Trade number 2 that I want to show you for today is the very next signal. It's also another long position. This is now 42.97 quarter. So we're still going long. I want to take a long position right at the trade scalper signal, 42.97 quarter. Now, look at the ATR down here. It says 5 points, 5.25 points. Really what this is telling me that is the market is in fact volatile, right? 5 points on every minute that we're looking at here is a big move. So you have to be able to withstand this kind of volatility. Your stop can't be 1 or 2 points. Just remember, you can't trade with that kind of volatility with a small stop. You have to have a stop that's a little bit larger to stay in the trade. So as you can see, I put a ruler on for 4 points for my target, and I have a 5-point stop. 4-point target, 5-point stop to stay in the trade. Once again, here are the rules for the trade scalper. Stay in the trade for 5 candles, 4 or 5 candles. Make the decision to get out of the market. If we're not in our favor, if the market's not making any profit, we do not want to hold on to a signal that's just going sideways. Number 1. Number 2 is we do not double up. We don't revenge trade. We don't average in. We don't do any of those things that you may be tempted to do. We try to avoid them. So it's basically 1 trade, and if you want to trail a stop from that point forward, great, but don't add to a losing position. That is the worst thing you can do. And so from where I entered, I'm about 3 or 4 candles into this, probably give it another candle or 2. If I don't have any profit target, I'm out of the trade. This is how I want to look and focus on every single trade that I take. Now, making about $400 or $500 a day is definitely doable. You just have to be patient. You have to know what you're doing, and there's the target. Remember that accelerated mentorship, the new program, is now available. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel. We focus on price action and we work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.